That looks like a mountain, Emma.
Yeah.
Should we turn it into a volcano?
Yeah.
Well, let's build around this jar
Yeah.
so we can make it erupt.
Okay.
Let's build together. Okay.
Squeeze. Wow, I love this volcano. It's so pretty.
Yeah, I'm glad you like it. That's not the kind of volcano we usually see in pictures, right? But it still shows us where the lava would flow. And it's almost ready. We need to add baking soda first.
Okay.
Perfect. Now, what else do we need to make it bubble?
Vinegar.
Yes, vinegar. We have added a few drops of red food coloring to make it look like real lava.
Okay.
When vinegar and baking soda mix, they make bubbles and gas. And that gas pushes everything up and out.
Ooh.
Ready to pour it in?
Wow, it's so pretty.
Yeah, look at that fizz.
Wow.
It's bubbling out just like a real volcano.
Yeah. And it can eat things.
It can eat things. That was amazing.
Wow.
All those bubbles came from the gas we made.
Ooh.
Just like a fizzy explosion. You want to pour it in one more time?
Yeah. Ooh. Huh? Why it can go down?
Yeah.
Why it's not going this side?
Because it will flow wherever it has room.
Ooh.
Great job, Emma! Let's try more fun experiments next time.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.